Hello everyone, my name is Neeru. I am your computer educator. I welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. Today in this video we will discuss firstly about the how to insert and delete rows and column. If I want to insert row or column, you can see here in the home ribbon cells groups are here, and in the cells group we use insert option for inserting row, column, sheets and cells, and same like that delete for the deletion. For example, if I want to insert one row before this marks column, then firstly we have to select it. Wherever I want to insert a new row or column, firstly we have to select it. And how we can select it? By just clicking on the column or row heading. So firstly I am selecting it, and when I will click on the insert option, insert sheet column, then automatically at the left of this column, one new blank column will insert. You can see here, one new blank column is inserted. Same like that, if I want to insert a row, for example, before this record, just select it, and after selecting, you can go to the insert option, and the second is we can right click on it, and after right clicking, we can click on the insert option. We get this option by right clicking, or we can go to the cells group, and in the cells group we can use insert and delete. Same like that, if I want to delete it, go to delete and then delete sheet row. Now I have inserted one row or one column. If I want to insert more than one row or more than one column, for example, if I want to insert three rows before this sixth roll number record, Anju record, I want three new rows before it. So what I will do, firstly I will select three rows because I want to insert three rows. So how we will do it? Firstly click on the this row. In the previous video also we have discussed how to select the adjacent row by hold down the shift key and then press the mouse left click, then click on it. You can see here three rows are selected, and when I will just right click on it or go to the cells group, we will click on the insert, then automatically three rows are inserted. And same like that, if I want to insert column, two column before this column, roll number and name. So what I will do, firstly I will select two column by using the shift key. And then if I am just going to the insert sheet column, you can see here two new columns are inserted because I have selected the two columns. And same like that, if I want to delete it, just select it and then you can press either the right click or you can go to the cells group, delete it. And same like that, if I want to delete this one also, just press the right click, delete it. Clear? So I am deleting this one, those I have inserted now. But if I want to insert to delete rows at the different places but at the same time, for example, if I want to insert one row before this second roll number record, Disha's record, and same I want to insert one new row before this Meenu record, roll number 5 record at the same time, and before Jatin records also, what I will do, firstly I am selecting first one, and we have already discussed in the previous video, for non-adjacent selection we use, in place of shift we use control key. Clear? Next one I have selected. So I have selected row heading 3, 6 and 9. Now if I want to insert it, you can see here, before this one row will be inserted. You can see here, before the Disha's record, one row inserted, same like that, roll number 5, above the roll number 5, above the roll number 8, new rows are inserted at the same time. Clear? If I want to delete it, you can use the same method by just selecting Control, press the Control key, and then just delete it. So all these three will be deleted. Clear? The next one is moving of cell content. How we can move the cell content from one place to another place. Sometimes if it happens, we write our text or data at one place by mistake, but I want to write it at the another place, but I don't want to delete from the current place and I don't want to retype at the another place. So we can move it from one place to another place. There are two methods. First one is drag and drop. First one is drag and drop. How we can do it? Firstly, select those area by using the mouse left click and mouse movement. Just select those area which you want to move. After that, go to the boundary. You can see with the mouse arrow plus is there. By using this, press the mouse left click, hold down the mouse left click. No need to release it, just hold down it, and wherever you want to place it, decide the destination and release the mouse left click. You can see here my text is all the data which I have selected, that is moved from one place to another place. Here, the same thing I can do with cut and paste. Cut means I want to cut it from the current place, and paste, I want to paste it, I want to move it to the another place. For cut, we can use, for example, I have selected that area. I want to move this one. I want to cut it from this position. So Control X is the shortcut key. Control X is the shortcut key for cut. And wherever you want to paste it, for example, I want to paste it here. Control plus V for paste. I have pasted here. So any method you can use, either drag and drop or cut and paste for the movement. Clear? I'm just undoing it by pressing Control plus Z. I have undo it. So now, if I want to make a duplicate copy, for example, all this record, I want to make the duplicate copy of all the data and I want to paste it at the another place. So what I will do, firstly I will select it, and for copy I will press Control C for copy, and wherever I want to paste it, for example I want to start it from here, and then I will paste it. It will create the duplicate copy. How much duplicate copy you want? You just go to that particular cell from where you start, then press Control plus V. I have pasted 2 times. Clear? Now the next thing is I am undoing it by pressing Control plus Z. Now the next thing is autofill. Autofill, as the name indicate, I want automatically filling. Some sequence are already saved in the Excel. So for example, I am writing here, for example, Sunday, weekday. So no need to write all weekdays here. Just go to the boundary and then drag it. You can see here. automatically list will come. Same like that, if I am writing the month name, then automatically month will come. Clear? Up to where I will drag. You can see here. After the last one, it will start from the first one. You can see here. Clear? In the numbering also, for the numbering, you have to write first two values. For example, I want to write the numbers 1, 2 and so on. Just drag it. First, let's select these two and then drag it. If I am writing like that, for example, I have written 4 then 8. You can see the difference. How much the difference? 4. So it 4 difference will be continuous. Like next one 12 will come, then 16 will come. So firstly select these two and then go to the boundary and then drag it. Automatically it will come. Clear? So it is called autofill, where automatically filling will come.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will start the next chapter in next video. So till then, bye bye. Take care.